installation, you'll need a trim tool. Slide your trim tool in the top edge of the lens and pry out the top. Pull the light housing up and out to remove it. Pull the light socket straight out. We highlight here how the top clip fits. Also make note how the tabs on the socket line up with the slots in the housing. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket. Replace with the LED bulb and test it. Push the socket back into the light housing, lining up the tabs we highlighted earlier. To install the housing, first install the bottom tab, then push in the top until it locks into place. There is another method that requires a T25 Torx driver. Begin by removing the 3 screws along the outer edge of the fender liner and 1 more underneath. Peel the liner back and you can reach the light socket. Pull the socket straight out. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED, and test it. Push the socket back into the housing and we can replace the fender liner. Tuck the edge of the liner into the fender. Replace the 3 screws on the edge and then 1 more on the bottom. These new LED side marker lights look great.